If you watched my recent overview of GIMP 3 RC1, you know that GIMP 3.0 got non-destructive effects. This means you can make many adjustments without permanently applying anything. However, you might have noticed that when transforming something, you cannot non-destructively revert it. This is especially problematic for text layers, as you can no longer edit the text after transforming it. The solution is simple. Use the recursive transform filter. Go to Filter, then Map, then Recursive Transform. Set the first iteration to 1 and the number of iterations to 0. To reuse these settings, save them as a preset. Click the plus icon, name the preset, and then select it whenever you want to use these settings again. When using this tool, you may notice a black background initially when resizing the image. Therefore, before using the tool, add an alpha channel to the layer. This tool functions similarly to the Unified Transform tool, combining features like scaling, rotation, and perspective. It works particularly well on text layers while still allowing text editing. A minor disclaimer. As non-destructive editing is still relatively new, it may exhibit some clipping issues when the image is modified extensively. However, it won't permanently damage your image.